Hey guys, today I'll show you a new way to change password on your Instagram account. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step.
Battling emptiness, I try to get over this, but the weight pulls me down. I settle in every fear, suddenly.
Now select the Forget Password option so a new link can be sent to your Gmail to reset your password without typing your old password.
I can see a reason to try to fight for meaning, but you give me reason to know I still have meaning. I'm not gonna fall for gravity, 'cause you lift me up when I can't feel. I'm not gonna fall for gravity.
As you can see, we have successfully changed our Instagram password to a new one. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.